Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is TechnicallyTee, and I wanted to make this quick video to let you know about the details of my Huawei Mate SE giveaway. Before I even get started with everything, I want to give a huge shout out to you guys. I just surpassed 8,000 subscribers. Now, it may not sound a lot to you, but to me, that's a lot. Anytime I can cross over another 1,000, man, that is a lot to me. So a huge appreciation to all you guys who watch the videos, who comment below, and don't think I don't know who you are. I know a lot of you guys that's been there since day one, and it is much appreciated with rocking with me. Now, I'm not really doing this as an 8,000 subscriber giveaway, but I guess if you want to tie them both together, you can. But like I said, I will be giving away a Huawei Mate SE. And this device is basically brand new. The seal has been popped on it, but it is basically brand new. I bought this device once I found out about it. I was going to do a full review on it, do cameras and everything like that, man, but I really got this the same time I got my Galaxy S9 Plus, so therefore, the S9 Plus got all the shine, and this has kind of just been sitting here. But when I got it, I did know as soon as I bought it, I wanted to give it away on the channel, so that's what I'm doing. Nothing super crazy that you have to do, but this is what I want you to do to win this giveaway. Now, to start off, the giveaway is, for right now, only US, so unfortunately, I'm not going to be shipping it internationally because that's just a little bit too expensive for how much the device actually costs. But if you're in the US, anybody's open, here is what you have to do to win the giveaway. Now, I'm not doing any type of sharing on this page, share this on IG, share this on Twitter, just to gain subscribers. I'm not doing this for subscribers. This is just a little thank you for you guys out there that's rocking with me. And if I can make somebody's day by giving them a Huawei Mate SE, that's what I want to do. I'm not here to gain support, gain subscribers, bring traffic to my channel, any of that. So if you rock with me, this is basically a little thank you. I'm not here for that. I'm not here to try to gain subscribers. But what I want you to do simply is comment below this video. So all you have to do is two things you actually have to do. Comment below this video. You can comment anything you want. I just don't want to see comments like comment or hope I win or something like that. Tell me why you like the channel. Tell me how long you've been around. Tell me a little something that you like about the channel, little things you want to see me improve. If there's different things that you want me to do on the channel, let me know whatever your thoughts are. Let me know in the comment section below. But number one, comment on this video. Like I said, I'll be keeping track of all the comments. And number two, in order to win the phone, I will be going live a week from today. So I will be going live on next Sunday, if I'm not mistaken. Next Sunday night. If it won't be next Sunday, it'll be Monday, but I'm assuming everything is planned. I will do this Sunday night around 8 p.m., 7 p.m. I will be going live, and in order to win the phone, you're going to have to be in that live stream because I'm going to pick a random person from the comment section of this video, and I'm going to say your name on the live stream. So if you're not on the live stream, during the live stream, if I see somebody else, I'm just going to pick them. And if I see they made a comment, I'm just going to pick them, and that's going to be the winner. So join the live stream. You will see the live event notification go up probably later on today or tomorrow. I will be live streaming the giveaway of the Huawei Mate SE. And I also have a few more goodies that I may be also giving away on the live stream as well. So be sure to tune in to the live stream. But those are the only two things that you have to do to enter this giveaway. Comment on this video below. Whatever you want to comment, just make it interesting. Don't comment anything crazy. Comment below and be a part of the live stream next week. When we do it, I will choose you, and then we can take the messages offline. I'll tell you to shoot me a DM via Twitter, via Instagram, or email. Give me your shipping address, and I will ship the phone to you. And I also will throw in a few cases that I have for the Huawei Mate SE as well. So, like I said, a week from today, tune in to the live stream on my channel, and we will be, I'll be telling the giveaway winner of the Huawei Mate SE. But like I said, huge shout out to you guys. The channel has crossed over 8,000 subscribers. Without you, none of this would be possible. So a huge shout out to you guys. Good luck to everybody who enters the giveaway. But until next time, later.